Meaning of head girl.
Head girl.
Head girl.
Head girl.
Head girl. Head girl typically refers to a female student who holds a senior leadership position in a school or college. This title is often earned through academic excellence, exceptional leadership skills, and involvement in extracurricular activities. The head girl usually works closely with the school's administration to promote various school initiatives, represent the student body, and maintain a positive school culture. This position requires strong communication skills, organizational abilities, and the ability to work well with others. Ultimately, being appointed as head girl is a prestigious accomplishment and signifies a high level of respect and trust from the school community.